3 great tabletop games. Let's take a look at these 3 great tabletop games. Let's get started. HOMCOM Foosball Gaming Table. Does your kid enjoy it when he sees football on screen? Then he must be a football fan. HOMCOM store has made this foosball gaming table with amazing features. There are 10 players on each of the 2 teams, and both teams use a 3-4-3 formation and have a goalie. It is a traditional game that you should have in your home with your kid. It enables for fluid movement while the game is being played, while still securely attaching each player. Each of the players swivel through a full 360 degrees, and for a more good fit, each rod has a foam grasp fitted to it. The structure's usage is not going to cause any damage, due to the fact that it's made of MDF. It has a gaming area with a variety of colors for a lively appearance. Your surface will be protected thanks to the non-slip bottom. The dimensions of the gaming area are as follows: 10 centimeters tall by 76 centimeters long by 40.7 centimeters wide. KF Premium Soccer Game Table. A simple, enjoyable, and engaging board game like soccer will certainly bring back the good old days at a time when mobile phones and technology are trying to make us seem more detached socially, and so does your kid can also take a benefit. Although it is otherwise similar to its larger counterpart, the KF Premium Movable Table is best adapted for a kid's room, a home games room, or a home bar because of its more manageable dimensions. A portable, lightweight, and highly interactive board game for the whole family, suitable for both younger and older players. Because you and your loved ones will be able to have a good time together, this is the perfect present to give on holidays or birthdays. With a hole in the middle of each side, just like the ones used in professional full-size games, either of the 2 footballs can be inserted. The standard technique involves tossing the ball into the air while giving it some spin, which results in an unpredictable path. HLC Folding Kids Pool Table. If your kid loves snooker, then he must like this folding kids pool table manufactured by HLC. It will also help you spend more time with your kid, as you could play with the table. Let's take a look at its amazing features. A long-lasting pool table made of MDF that maintains a constant roll and is resistant to distortion. It will hold up for an impressively lengthy amount of game time. This pool table folds up into a size that allows it to fit below a bed or in most cabinets. It will give your kids all of the enjoyment, enthusiasm, and contest of a full-sized pool table without taking up as much space, so you won't have to worry about making room for it. In addition to being enjoyable for people of all ages, it is an excellent way to get practice on tables of the appropriate size. With the attached cushions, you can ricochet the balls and find the sweet spot like a pro. In this video, we looked at 3 great tabletop games. If you're instead interested in mini drones for your kids, then click on the video you see on the screen now.